How a beginner can become a successful affiliate marketer with no experience. Yeah, I said that. This is part 1 of 2. This is a 2-part series. Make sure after you watch this video to watch the other video. Now, affiliate marketing is pretty darn cool. Now, in the second video, I'll show you where to find these products and how to market the products. But let's get into affiliate marketing. I'll share a story with you quick. Not too many years ago, I got into affiliate marketing and marketing other people's products, and I have a survival food company, so I have a survival list. It was very small at the time, and I was looking through ClickBank, and I found a product that would fit with a survival audience. It wasn't something I sold normally, and I won't even say what it is. It had to do with woodworking, but I knew that my customers would probably find interest in that, so I grabbed the emails because they had these pre-written emails, and they had already done sales pages. All I had to do was send out emails with my affiliate link in it. That was it. That was the whole program. And I sent it out. The first day I think I made like $129. The next day I made like 300 and something. The next day I made over $500. And I look at that and I thought, wow, all I did was send out emails, and it wasn't my product, and I didn't have to fulfill it, and in those 3 days I made hundreds of dollars just for sending an email. That's pretty cool stuff, and that's basically what affiliate marketing is. Now, in the second video, I'll show you how to do this without an email list, but I'm just giving you an example of what you can do. If you've already got a list, all the better. If you don't need it. Okay, that's just like icing on a cake. You can still do this stuff. Now, do me a favor, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe below, give me a thumbs up, and ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I do a new video or I go live. And feel free to put your comments below if you got questions about this affiliate marketing thing. It took me a while to wrap my head around it. It's really quite simple, but sometimes these concepts are tough for me, but once I get it and I run with it, and you will too, so don't worry about that part. Now, one of the most common questions I get is, what is affiliate marketing? I mean, what the heck is affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing is really quite simply you selling a product that you don't own. Okay, you selling a product you don't own. This could be a physical product, this could be a digital product, this could be a service, and basically what you're doing is you're bringing the customer to the seller, and the seller is paying you a fee for doing that. That's all affiliate marketing really is. So let me break this down into really simple steps. Number 1, you find a product that you want to sell, digital, physical, service, whatever it is. You just find a product that has an affiliate program. Number 2, if it's a product that's sold on Amazon, all the better, because you can create an Amazon link and use that. Number 3, if it's not on Amazon, you're going to sign up for their affiliate program, whatever that affiliate program is. And in the program, when you sign up for it, it's going to say what percent you're going to get. Maybe you're going to get 10% of the sale or 50% of the sale. I know on ClickBank some of the offers are 100% because they just want to get somebody on their list, so they're willing to give up a $7 product or a $10 product and give you all the commission on it so that they can build their list. So they're basically hiring you to build their list. So that's the next thing you're going to do. Number 4 is you're going to get an affiliate link. You generate those on ClickBank. A lot of other companies will actually generate an affiliate link for you, and you just use that link anytime you talk about their product, and that's quite simply all you need to do. And then number 5, you're going to send them a customer, and when they buy, you get paid. It's it. There's only 5 steps, so it's really not that complicated. This is something anybody can do. You can do it from your couch, from your kitchen table. It doesn't matter where you're at. It doesn't matter where you're at in the world. You could be sitting on the beach in Miami, or you could be up north in Alaska if you wanted, and still do this. It doesn't matter where you are, because you don't have to fulfill the product, you don't have to do customer support, you don't have to do anything but send a customer to the seller. Now, you may be asking, well, how does that affiliate seller know that that customer came from me? It's done through cookies. Okay, so it's done through cookies. So when you send a customer, when they use your link, they get cookied, and they know that that customer actually came from you. Now, you may be thinking, well, what if they don't pay me? That can be a problem, but it can only be a problem if you didn't do your research. If you use a site like ClickBank, you don't have to worry about it. You know that it's coming from there. If you use a site like Share a Sale, you know you're going to get paid. You don't have to worry about it. If you use a company's affiliate program, let's say you go to product A here and they have their own affiliate program, just make sure you know who they are. If you're sending them to somebody like Walmart or Target or Home Depot or something like that, you're going to get paid. You don't have to worry about it. So that is all handled. Now, that cookie on that customer varies in time. It varies in time. So because you send out an email and they use your link and they buy the product does not mean you're going to get paid. You're only going to get paid as long as that cookie is live. So that cookie may be good, I think, on Amazon for 24 to 48 hours. That's it. And then after that, if they buy, you don't get anything. But some, some sites, it's 15 days, 20 days, 30 days, that it's going to remain live and you're still going to get paid on it. So make sure you understand that up front, because that does vary. What I mentioned in the beginning, that you don't necessarily need a list. What you could do is content marketing, which means maybe you're writing reviews and how-tos on your website, or you're doing videos on reviews and how-tos, and then you have an affiliate link to one of those products that you're talking about, or one of those products that you recommend. You can certainly do it that way and use that affiliate link and make money. Some of you may be saying, well, if I'm going to get paid on a product, I'm just going to promote every single product that's out there. I mean, every single product I'm going to promote, and that is not a wise thing to do. And the reason it's not a wise thing to do is your audience, as you're building your audience, and keep in mind, in affiliate marketing, you don't normally build your audience unless you have a page to capture their email before it gets to the sales page. But if you're trying to do that, then of course, yeah, you can't build a list of everybody, people who like to cook and work on cars and mow their lawn and drive on trips. You just can't do that. You need to niche down. That's really important, that you niche down. The other reason it's important is because you'll start to understand that niche, what their wants and desires and all that stuff are. And if you're sending out emails, you can write emails that make sense to those people. If you're trying to hit every single niche out there, you won't have a good understanding of your audience. I think it's also important, if you're going to be promoting a product, that it's a product that you believe in and that you've used. If you haven't used the product, you don't even know if it's good, and I certainly wouldn't promote anything that I haven't used. There's just no point in doing that. And I get offers to promote softwares and all these different things. If I don't currently use it, I probably won't promote it. Not that it's not a good product. I mean, it may be a great product, and if I would sit down and use it and try it, I may make some money on it. But the point is, I don't have time to sit down and try it. Okay, I use the products I use right now, and I don't want to add anything to that right now because of other things I get going on. Now, if you're beginning and you want to try out a product and you've got the time to do that and time to invest, go ahead and do it. Once you do that, you got to ask yourself, will the vast majority of my audience benefit from this product? You want to make sure they benefit from it and that they feel good about the product once they buy it, because if they don't, they're not going to come back to you when you offer another product. Next thing I'll tell you is, ask yourself, is the buying process easy? If the seller makes it difficult, if they have to jump through a lot of hoops to get the product, I probably wouldn't promote it. And the last thing is, does the affiliate program make sense to you? Is it profitable enough? Amazon is probably one of the lowest paying affiliate programs there is. If it wasn't for who Amazon was, I wouldn't promote anything there. However, I don't have to put forth any effort. I put some links below, which you'll find links below in the description. Make sure you check them out and buy something. But I put those links in there and I leave them there for months or maybe years, and people click on them every now and then, and I make some money. So I don't put any effort into it. These other affiliate programs, you're gonna have to put more effort into it, so that commission structure has to be higher for it to make sense to you. Now keep in mind, there's three different kinds of products. There's physical products, there's informational products, and there's service products. So let's check those out real quick, and you can see what's going to be best for you. Now let's say I wanted to use the Amazon affiliate program. What I would do is I would go to Amazon and I would search. Let's say I want something for my list, which is a survival list. So I may put in survival gear and find a product on Amazon, and once I found that product on Amazon, I would go up, because I'm already logged in, and I would go up and click to create a text link. Then I could actually send an email out to my customers. I could say, hey, I found this great product on Amazon. It's really cool. I think you'll like it. It's on sale right now. I've used it. It's the bomb. You got to go there and check this out. And I could take that link and I could put that into an email and send it out. Or if I had a blog and I was writing about survival stuff, I could recommend it and put that link in my blog where they could click on it and go to Amazon and buy that product. So there's a lot of ways of going about this, but that's me selling a physical product without me ever having to touch it. And all you have to do is go to Amazon's affiliate program. You can type in affiliate program Amazon, you'll see it, fill out the form, give them the information, and boom, you become an affiliate. Now I will tell you, if you don't sell anything for a certain period of time, nobody clicks your links, nobody goes there and buys anything, they will cancel your affiliate account. Don't worry about that. The very same day you can apply for another affiliate account. But what that does is all the affiliate links you put out there for that first account will no longer work. So keep that in mind. when you're marketing to Amazon people, you got to get some sales every now and then or that account will go away. Don't worry though, you can start another account. Just understand that all those old links won't work anymore. Now if you want to find other affiliate programs out there and you don't have experience doing so, I would suggest you go to FLEXOFFERS. You see it on the screen right now. You can go to FLEXOFFERS and you can search thousands of different affiliate programs and apply for them right there. So that should have given you a really good overview of affiliate programs and what you can do. If you apply this stuff, guys, you'll make money. And a lot of people say, well, I don't have a big enough audience yet and I don't have that many people looking at my videos yet. Just start it, get it started. The sooner you get into affiliate marketing, the better off you're going to be. This is going to compound over the weeks, months, years. You know, you may have a small audience of 500 people on YouTube and you don't want to put links below your videos, but who knows that your channel won't blow up on down the road, and those links below your videos could make you thousands of dollars a month. So get them in there as soon as you possibly can. That's super important. I hope you like this video. Do me a favor, subscribe if you did. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I come out with a new video. And also I go live. I'll notify you when I go live too, but you got to turn on those notifications. In addition to that, I have a free course below. It's normally $97. You can get it absolutely free. All you have to do is click and learn. Thank you so much for watching this video. Put your comments and suggestions below. Maybe you've got a question about affiliate marketing. I'm on both sides of it because I ship out stuff for other people. I also do affiliate marketing where I advertise other people's stuff and send emails about other people's stuff. So either way you want to go, put those questions below. Anything about starting, running and growing online businesses, put that in the comments below. Hey, don't forget to watch video 2. Video 2 is super important because I get into informational products and how they work. So now that you've watched this video, go to video 2. Okay, really important you do that. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.